So to add a moving average in TradingView, you first want to go up here to products and press on super charts. When you have your chart open, you want to then go up here to the indicators tab and you want to simply search for moving average. And as you guys can see, we have tons of different moving averages here on TradingView. But let's start by opening up one of the most common and the most simple type of moving average. And to do that, you want to search for moving average simple. And the indicator you want to open is this one right here. You might want to consider starring this indicator as well. But let's open this one up. And as you guys can see, now the moving average has appeared on the chart. However, when you first open up your moving average, it will have some pretty weird settings. So now we want to change the settings. To do this, we go up here to the upper left corner where it says SMA, that stands for simple moving average, and we want to press on the settings tab right here. The most important setting to understand is the length setting. The length is basically how many candlesticks does the moving average use in its calculations. And the standard setting here is 9, but this is a pretty uncommon setting. Some of the more common settings for the simple moving average is 50, 100, and 200. For now, let's change the settings here to 50. Now, if you look at any point on the chart, this will basically tell us the average price of the last 50 days. Now let's open up one of the most popular moving average indicator, and that is the exponential moving average. So to open up this indicator, we once again head up here to the indicators tab, and what we want to search for is moving average exponential. If you want to, you can of course also star this one, but let's open this one up. To change the settings, you go up here where it says EMA or exponential moving average, and you press on the cogwheel right here. And let's actually change the length of the EMA to 50. So our SMA and EMA have the same length. Since both lines are blue here, it looks a bit confusing. So let's actually go up to the settings tab once again. For the EMA, let's go to the style tab, and here on the style tab we can change the color of the EMA. So right now it's blue, but let's change it to orange so we can compare the moving averages better. To be able to see clearly, I also want to make the line thick right here. So I'm going to make this line super thick, and I will do the same thing for the SMA. So I go up to the settings tab, we go to the style tab, press right here, and we make the line thick. So now then, what is the best moving average? To answer this question, we need to understand the difference between the SMA and the EMA. Remember that both the simple moving average, which is the blue line, and the exponential moving average, which is the orange line, base its calculations on 50 days. But the difference here is that the exponential moving average will react faster to recent price changes. So you can, for example, see that during the downturn right here, the orange line or the EMA started to fall much faster than the SMA. For this reason, the EMA is often more suitable for short-term traders, while the SMA can be more suitable for long-term traders. So guys, if you want to learn about yet another useful indicator, I highly recommend that you spend 2 minutes and watch this video next.